1997 Chevrolet Silverado Extended Cab Z71 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And this one is a dandy. Look at the finish, that black paint on this truck. Clean Carfax, no accidents. Carfax indicates a 2-owner vehicle. 5.7 liter Vortec underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, nicely equipped with that Silverado package, including power steering, power brakes, AC. Does have a new AC pump kit and evaporator on it. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. Bug shield already installed. And like I said, look at the finish on that black paint, considering this is 97. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this from every angle. You'll be able to see the interior, undersides, engine bay, bed. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Hey, even riding on Michelin's. Also, look at the condition of those wheels. Lots of times you see those starting to flake. Laverne Nerf bars. Take a look down this passenger side. Again, the reflection in that black paint, really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Look around those wheel wells, don't see any corrosion. Lower rockers chromed. And again, around the wheel wells and how straight those panels are. I just can't believe the paint on this truck, especially considering black. Interior. Bucket seats, of course, up front, center console. Of course, the extended cab, this would be a 3-door. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Rear seating surfaces. Also in nice shape. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up too, take a little closer look at that interior, but I want to show you that third door. Fiberglass tonneau cover. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Plenty of tread left in those Michelins too. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. And again, look at that rear wheel. As good a shape as that front one we took a peek at. Trailering package back here with the receiver. Let's take a peek in this bed. I have a feeling I know what this is going to look like. Look at that. That bed is like new. Doesn't look like it's been worked much. Again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these Chevy trucks, maybe like a little older ones, square bodies, maybe like newer ones, either way, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, the reflection in that paint, just lack of any corrosion up and around those wheel wells. Lower chrome rockers, really free of any major dents, dings, scratches. All right, interior wise, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. So you can have the Silverado package, obviously nicely equipped. You'll be able to see a copy of the window sticker in with the still pic, so you can see exactly how this car was equipped. Seating surfaces free of any major rips, tears, holes. Odometer 143,168. That's what it should read, 143,168. Fire up that 5.7 liter Vortec V8. Top of the dash, great shape. This truck was definitely stored indoors. Close the door, we'll get rid of that door chime. So AM, FM, cassette, and CD. Stereo working fine. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Just the seat belt indicator, since I don't have that on. Wow, the interior of this truck's as nice as the exterior. Headliner, all intact way it should be. Sounds good too, like it should. And you'll be able to see the exhaust and the underside in the still pictures with that window sticker. Every angle, interior, engine bay. Speaking of engine bay, let's pop this hood and take a look at that. I think we all know how that's going to look too. All right, underside of the hood, nice clean hood liner. And how about that engine bay? It's amazing. We get a lot of clean vehicles through here. No doubt about that if you watch our videos. This is crazy for a 97. And listen how smooth that runs. It's gonna make somebody a nice truck. 1997 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab Z71 4x4. Those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we'd assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1997 Chevy Silverado in black. In amazing condition for the amount of miles on the odometer. It's almost unbelievable, the condition of this interior. And the exterior is very nice as well. We've got the overhead storage and lighting, upgraded seats, armrests, center storage. Feels like a factory truck, sounds like it should. All our gauges appear to be working. The fuel gauge though, topped out at full, not sure about that one. Oil pressure is showing 45, temperature about 180, battery's charging over 14 volts. Now steering wheel does appear to be clocked a little to the right. That doesn't affect performance at all. Factory stereo working. I have not tested the cassette, but we do have FM working great. Blower motor works, wipers work. Looking around, even the carpet is just clean. Door panels looking great. The later generation, the updated interior features of this body style. You get it all with this truck. Brakes nice and smooth. Excellent power steering, stays pretty flat in the corners, as much as it should for this truck. Kick down, working on that automatic transmission as it should. We have a nice tonneau cover on the back of the bed. Cruise controls functioning. Compass mirror. It's loaded up and ready to go. Take a look at all the pictures of this Chevy truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.